Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So recently, Minister of Transport, Minister Vaz, commented on the upgrading and modernization of the Sangster International Airport. So we are going to discuss that and give you an update on it. So before we go through the article, I just want to point out the Jamaican government owns the Sangster International Airport. They gave MBJ Airports Limited a concession to operate the airport. But at the end of the day, the Jamaican government owns the airport. Now, a part of that concession agreement is that MBJ Airports Limited would do some upgrading and modernization to the airport because the company I think it's a Mexican company that is operating it, but they set up a company called MBJ Airports to manage the running of the airport. So that might have added to the confusion for some people because the name of the company is MBJ Airports. Okay, so the minister recently toured the facility, and we're going to go through an article that gives some information on what he said. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Honorable Darrell Vaz, says he is pleased with the upgrading and modernization of the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James. A master plan airport expansion program is being undertaken at the facility at a cost of approximately US 140 million. The engagement includes runway extension and civil infrastructure works, as well as expansion and redevelopment of SIA's retail program. Addressing MBJ Airports Limited 2023 Airport Forum at the facility, Mr. Vaz said the new and existing investments in the airport will further cement Sangster International Airport as the leading gateway of choice to the island. He said SIA continues to record remarkable growth in post-COVID-19 passenger arrivals, noting that the airport is poised for further increases throughout the summer season. According to the Airports Authority of Jamaica, SIA is projected to welcome 5 million passengers at the end of 2023 for the first time in the country's history. This will elevate SIA from the category of a small airport to a medium-sized facility, representing a significant achievement for Jamaica. The Sangster International Airport continues to chart a path of being the gateway of choice. We welcome the increase and we continue the work to recover stronger, the minister said. Mr. Vaz acknowledged, however, that the surge in passenger numbers has presented a new set of challenges for the airport. He said while pleased with ongoing efforts to enhance the facility's physical infrastructure and streamline the logistical aspects of passenger movement, there is need for immediate short-term fixes to address the current traffic levels while simultaneously focusing on the broader long-term solutions. The minister emphasized that the challenges of improving the passenger experience cannot be tackled in isolation. The fact is that for visitors coming here, the airport is the first contact and their last impression. The fact is that for visitors coming here, the airport is their first contact and their first impression, and when they leave, it's their last contact and last impression. Therefore, we have to have something in place as a short-term fix to deal with the level of traffic that is passing through our airports to make sure that it is smoother than it is, and it can't be done in isolation, he noted. Minister Vaz also emphasized the aviation industry's significance, highlighting its role as the lifeblood of international travel and the driving force behind Jamaica's economic development. The MBJ Airports Limited 2023 Airport Forum was held to share updates on the current and future development of the Sangster International Airport, which is operated by the entity. Okay, so that is the end of the article. So where we are driving now, this is on the outskirts of the runway, and that's the airport on the left. So Sangster International Airport brings in 85% of all the tourists that visit this island. So it's really a very important airport. And you notice they said 5 million passengers will use this airport in 2023. Now that is really remarkable. So I think it's good that they are upgrading the airport, and I don't know if it's a case where they never expected so many people to use it, or I don't know why it's catching them off guard where they have to be. What did they say? He said, while pleased with ongoing efforts to enhance the facility's physical infrastructure and streamline the logistical aspects of passenger movement, there is need for immediate short-term fixes to address the current traffic levels while simultaneously focusing on broader long-term solutions. So I don't know if the 5 million has caught them off guard, if they never expected so many, but nonetheless, it's something that they're working on. And we have gotten comments when we do videos about this airport about the long lines and how long it takes for people to get through immigration and customs. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on this project and the runway extension that I spoke about. The runway is actually finished, the extension. They haven't commissioned it yet, but it is finished, and sometime over the summer they should commission a new runway, meaning they'll start using it. And of course, we'll keep you guys updated on everything that happens with the airport. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about this airport. And we should have said it at the beginning, but this is the busiest airport in Jamaica. Alright guys, have a good day.